I have an amazing fish recipe for you guys, my spicy oven baked sea bass. It's easy, it's delicious, it's super nutritious. Let's start. So I've been making this recipe a lot this summer because it's super easy to put together. I made it for myself, I made it for my guests. It's really light, it's very tasty because I'm going to use 5 different spices and they're going to all each add a great aroma to this. So what I'm doing is I'm first going to make the spice mixture. I'm adding a teaspoon of paprika. I basically add a teaspoon of everything and a little bit of cinnamon. So cinnamon will be like a half teaspoon. I'm adding some cumin. Like you can think of it like a Moroccan spice blend and it goes really good with fish. I'm using sea bass, but you can use any white fish. I'm adding some coriander. And whenever you're using spices, just make sure that they're fresh. So when you smell them, like they should really smell, you know. That's how you can understand if your spices are fresh. I'm adding some turmeric, which I absolutely love. And I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon, just a little. I don't want it too overpowering, but cinnamon will give it a nice sweetness, if you will, which will go really nicely. I'm adding some salt, a good amount of salt, and I'm adding some black pepper. What you can do is, if you want, you can get in a zest of 1 lemon in here, which actually I will. So here's my lemon. Lime also goes great. I'm simply going to zest this. And this will brighten it up. It will lighten the taste. It will give it a nice freshness. Orange will also work great. You can also get in some sumac, like if you wanna use other spices. You can add in a little bit of cloves. Just mixing it up. And if you smell this, you're going to realize how pleasant it smells. And it will kind of let you imagine how it will taste like in the end. So I'm generously going to sprinkle this. This would also work great with chicken. So you can use the same spice blend for chicken. And I'm going to rub it with my fingers too. Make sure that it's nicely covered. And now the other fillet. Drizzling a little bit of olive oil. That's enough, not too much. You can cook this in the pan. You can cook this with some clarified butter or ghee. It will be great. But you know, it's summer, it's too hot. Oven is much nicer. So I've drizzled a little bit of olive oil, which is not necessary, but I like it. I like to get in some olive oil in there, and I'm going to transfer this to my preheated oven at 200 Celsius degrees, and it's going to cook. It's important not to overcook the fish. If you overcook your fish, you're going to dry it out. So for a fish about this size, which is, I'll say about 250 grams each fillet, 15-16 minutes at most will be ready. And you know what I do, and I do it even though I've been cooking forever. I get my knife and I check it in the oven, you know, and once I see that it's cooked, I take it out immediately, because if you overcook your fish, it's going to be dry. Who likes dry fish? No one, so don't overcook it. So I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Like I said, I checked it a little with a knife, and as soon as I see that it's ready, I took it out of the oven. I always garnish this with some mint and with some fresh lemon. It looks nice, also it gives it a nice taste. And usually, like, I'll serve this with a quinoa salad, I'll serve this with oven baked potatoes, something light, something healthy, something that will go with the fish. Now let's give it a taste. I mean, it looks so great, and as you can see, the fish is so soft. So here's my spicy oven baked sea bass. I hope you guys like it. If you try it, don't forget to leave your comments down below. You can find other videos on my channel. Please do watch, and I hope you guys subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.